Hello everyone and welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take one item from a blend file and import it into another blend file. And you can see here I have two examples here. I've gone ahead and made two blend files and I've saved them onto my desktop so you can see them here. And they're going to be my examples. So one of them is called Scene 1 and it's got a red cube in it, and the other one is called Scene 2 and it's got a blue cube in it. So I've gone ahead, I've named both of these cubes. This one is called blue cube and this one's called red cube. So say for example, you have this blend file, you've been working on a scene, say it's a road, and maybe for example, you've made a car in the past in another blend file and you want to bring that into your scene. So what we're going to do is quite simple. Open the blend file where you want to import or append the object into, and you're going to go to your file and you're going to go to the append button here. So click on append. And then what you're going to do is go to wherever the blend file is that you have an object or item in it that you want to import. In this case, we're in our scene 1, which is the red cube. So we're going to go to the blue cube scene. And whenever you open up a blend file after clicking on the append, you click on the blend file, you're going to see these options come up here. And they're all very self-explanatory. So textures is textures, and then objects and mesh. So if you click on the objects, that's going to be anything like lights, empties, meshes. If you specifically just want a mesh, you can go ahead and just click on mesh, and you can see here we have that cube there. But I'm just going to go to the object here, and I can see here I have my blue cube here, so I'm going to click on that blue cube, and here I can see I have actually imported that cube here with the name and the material and everything brought over or appended into this scene 1. So this one was in the scene 2, we can see here scene 2, but now it is also imported into this scene 1. And not only can you do this, say for example, I delete this cube here and I only wanted to bring in a material. I can go here to File, Append, and I can go to that blend file. So in this case, it'd be the blue cube, click on it. And instead of going to Object, I can go to the Materials, and I can see here is my blue cube material. I can click on that. And now if I go to my cube here, I can go to my Materials and go up here and just change it to that blue material. And obviously you can see it's in here 2 times because I did import the cube originally, but you can go ahead and select the material. So you can bring in lights, items, objects. I just want to clarify that there's a big difference between the append and the import. What the import is, say for example, I was working in something like 3ds Max or Blender, not Blender, 3ds Max or Maya, and I couldn't just import a Maya file into Blender. So what I do is I might take my item in Maya or whatever, or Cinema 4D, I might export it as an OBJ file or FBX, and then I can come into here in Blender, go to my import, and I can select whichever one of those export formats I need. And that's the difference between those two. And I hope this was useful to you guys. I hope you can do something with it and it helps you. Thank you for watching. Check out some other content. I'll be making a lot of cool stuff that I know you guys will like. I'll see you guys later, and